Pandora Kaaki biography. Pandora Kaaki is a Filipino model, Instagram star, and social media celebrity. She rose to fame on Instagram due to her gorgeous and sizzling bikinis photos and videos. So far, she has amassed more than 3 million followers on Instagram. Pandora Kaaki was born on July 29, 1998, in the Philippines to a middle-class Buddhist family. She was raised in the Philippines and completed her education in the Philippines. At a very young age, she decided to be a model and began uploading bikinis photos on different social media platforms. In addition to this, Pandora has amassed several thousand followers on different social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. She owns a YouTube channel with more than 651,000 subscribers. For further information about Pandora's age, height, weight, family, career, boyfriend, and net worth, read the full article. According to Pandora's date of birth, her age is 22 years. She is 5'5" tall and her weight is approximate 59 kilograms. Pandora is a gorgeous and attractive girl with black hair and brown eyes. Pandora Kaaki's net worth is approximate $3 million.